This is Mark Smith from IoT Playbook. And on this next episode, I introduce a brand new resource called the IoT Playbook Offer Builder. Now, inside the Offer Builder, I give you my regulation cheat sheet. I also give you the hottest markets in IoT right now. I give you a video walkthrough of an offer template. I explain to you exactly what people buy and why they're buying it today. And this is a completely free resource. So if you've ever tried to figure out, well, I want to get an IoT, but I'm not sure what it is or how to get started or what products, I've got video case studies in here that walk you through multiple vertical market opportunities. So check out this next episode. Go to podcast.iotplaybook.com where I introduce the offer builder. And then for the offer builder itself, go to go.iotplaybook.com/offer builder to sign up for this great free resource. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. It is Mark Smith with a special solo cast episode of IoT Playbook. Now, I'm calling this episode the IoT Playbook Offer Builder. And this is one episode you may actually want to watch the video version of it because I'm going to be showing a lot of stuff on the screen. Now, as we've been moving along and I've done a number of episodes, I'm starting to get questions from viewers like, hey, where do I start? What IoT managed service can I actually build in my practice? What market should I serve? What does that market want to buy and why? And how do I price and package my offer to a prospective client? Where do I source the products I'm going to sell? And what other services should I bundle with my IoT managed service offer? Well, I can see why the people are interested in asking those questions because I keep talking about this $500 billion market opportunity. And let me show you where that's coming from and why it's growing. Now, the major growth driver is operational cost reduction. And this chart shows there's horizontal opportunity and vertical. So in the horizontal, you have managed security, managed network, managed devices, and managed infrastructure. And we're going to be talking about all those in future episodes. But there's also the bigger opportunities around verticals, okay? So from manufacturing, retail, we've talked about healthcare and smart buildings and smart city and on and on. Now, the other growth driver is mobility, okay? They wanted to make all these solutions mobile, remotely operated, and it's this bigger idea of digital transformation. How can we use an IoT managed service to start to transform these companies? Now, with all those verticals and horizontals, that's a lot of different combinations, okay? A lot of products and markets to choose from, okay, which is great. However, after being on over a dozen episodes and interviews, the number one trigger that I'm hearing of an IoT sale is regulatory solutions, okay? So let me give you some examples. Now, every market has regulations that can be solved with an IT/IoT solution. Let me give you some examples. So in a My Devices episode, we talked about the JACO cold storage regulation. Now it's in the healthcare market. So healthcare must store medicine, food, and at prescribed temperatures. Now, right now they're doing that manually. Okay, so RNs will show up and they'll enter into a paper log. But we talked about a My Devices solution that solves all that. Cold storage, okay, for hospitality, like restaurants. Again, they got to take temperature logs every 6 hours. And many of them don't have a remote way of monitoring their commercial refrigeration. So if something bad were to happen during the night and they walk in and next day all the food is spoiled, there's no alerts on that. Whereas My Devices sells a solution that can not only automate all the temperature logs, but remotely monitor your commercial refrigeration. There's FINRA or FFIEC banking regulations. So you got to lock down the network and provide real-time alerts of any device attached to the network. Now we have a Domot solution that handles that. Or the Bureau of Cannabis around agribusiness. The BCC requires 24/7 management of video surveillance. Again, there's a Domot solution for that. A panic button solution that's coming in January 1st, 2020. All hotel workers must be equipped with a panic button to alert security infrastructure. Anyway, My Devices has a solution for that. You may have heard about the electronic logging device. That was something that went in December 16, 2019. All truckers must be equipped with electronic logging device. And it goes on and on, okay? And so what I'm seeing is this pattern happen where there's a regulation, then there's an IoT solution to that. And what makes it great about that is that there's already demand for it, right? People need the solution of this product. And because there's a regulation, they can't just blow it off because they could get fines or whatever, okay? Now, what I did is actually put together a cheat sheet, okay? And it's a spreadsheet, and it's got all of these regulations along with links to the regulation as well as the solution, okay? Now, I started with just the sheet, but I thought, hey, it would be better if I put together a whole bundle of information for you, okay? So that's what I've done. I put together this thing called the IoT Playbook Offer Builder, and it's designed to help you choose an IoT managed service, choose a market you want to target, help you develop your unique message to the market, help you identify your ideal customer, help you build a list of prospects that you can market to, okay? And then help you develop your offer and your offer stack. Now, the way you get a hold of this offer builder is to go to go.iotplaybook.com/offer builder. Okay, so just type in a browser, go.iotplaybook.com/offer builder. And you're going to see, once you register there, it's free. The next page is going to give you instructions on how to get your free login, where you can create your login and password, okay? Now, you'll see a screen like this, and all you do is you got to click on this button here, get my free IoT offer builder, okay? So that's how that looks, and it looks very similar to this, and you get that by going to go.iotplaybook.com/offer builder. Now, I'm throwing a bonus in the members area. Hey, the whole thing's free. Why not offer a bonus too? There are two key elements to any IoT managed service offer that are going to help you close new business every time. So this is a pattern I started hearing over and over as I've been interviewing successful IoT MSPs. And I'm seeing these two key elements to help close a deal and put the right offer together. And I'll tell you what those are in the members area. Okay, so there's a little tease to get you to try it out. So anyway, all you got to do is go to go.iotplaybook.com/offer builder and create your login ID and get access to all this great content about the offer builder, to help you create your perfect IoT managed service offer. Again, this is Mark Smith, and I'm so glad that you're tuning in today. And I really look forward to working with you to help you build your perfect IoT managed service offer.